Thank you so much, Shripad. It is Miss Bhavna Bharat Kumar. All right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning to the teachers, to the students. Namaste, everyone. How are you all?
Fine.
Fine, ma'am.
You, ma'am.
Fine,
Okay,
ma'am.
so
Bhavna,
good.
request everyone to on their video since it's a yoga day.
Yes,
And
yes, yes,
yeah,
yes. Yeah. So I was just coming to that. So,
thank you.
firstly, if you want to do yoga with me, you have to keep your videos on. Wherever there are issues related to electricity, I understand, but others will keep your videos on. I don't want to teach yoga to a laptop. I'll go. You're okay with that? Huh? Then switch on the videos. Come on, switch on. Tilak, Praneet, Yakshita, Abdul Qadir, Brinda, switch on your videos. Hemant, Shiva, I will not start until I see the smiling faces. Switch on. Come on. Survi, Turanyu, Pratik. Nice. Why so dull? You didn't have breakfast? Where are the smiles on the face?
We ate breakfast.
You've had. So you're all ready for the yoga day. Firstly, wish all of you a very happy International Yoga Day. Uh, so, Yoga Day I feel should be every day, not just one day. What do you think? But then we have to be happy with what we have. Even yoga teaches us that you should be happy with what you have. So let's see this through a video. It's a very beautiful story giving us a very important message. I'm going to share this video with you. If it is audible, just show me a thumbs
Yes, ma'am, it's audible.
up. Enjoy.
I want the same gaming console that Sam has.
But my dear, you already have one. We can think of it later.
No, Grandma. I want it at any cost.
Do you know why you say that? Listen. A crow lived in the forest. He was totally satisfied with his life. One day he saw a swan and expressed his thoughts. "You are so white and I am so black. You must be the happiest bird in the world." The swan replied, "I was feeling such until I saw a parrot, which has 2 colors. I now think the parrot is the happiest bird in creation." The crow then went to the parrot and approached for his happiness. The parrot said, "I led a very satisfied life until I saw a peacock. I have only 2 colors, but the peacock has multiple colors." The crow got confused and visited the zoo. Seeing the beauty of the peacock, the crow became astonished. He went near the peacock and admired his beauty. "You are so beautiful that thousands of people come to see you every day. When people see me, they immediately shoo me away. I think you are the happiest bird in the world." The peacock replied, "I also used to think the same while roaming freely in the forest. But one day I was captured only because of my beauty. I am now entrapped in this zoo. If you visit the entire zoo, you will find swan, parrot, cuckoo, pigeon, and every other colorful bird in cages. I have realized that the crow is the only bird not kept in a cage. So, I have been thinking for past few days that if I were a crow, I could fly happily in the open sky. It happens with everybody. We don't value what God has given us. and are always busy comparing ourselves with others. This all leads to the cycle of unhappiness. A person who is satisfied with what he has is the happiest person in the world. The crow realized his mistake and thanked God for making him as he is, and flew away happily. See? Learn to be happy in what you have instead of looking at what you don't have.
Yes, Grandma. Now I understand there will always be someone who will have more or less than we have. But what we have is enough to be happy.
So did you enjoy this video?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's sit in Sukhasana, cross-leg posture. And let's close our eyes and try to understand what we learned from this video. Let's sit in cross-leg posture. Sit in Sukhasana, close your eyes, and now just reflect quietly, just reflect in your mind. What did you learn from this video?
Ma'am, your voice is low, ma'am.
Is it audible now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so close your eyes, sit in Sukhasana and reflect. What did you learn from this video? Are you happy with your marks or do you feel sad about it? Are you happy with the hard work that you put in your studies, or can you be working harder? Do you compare yourself or your marks with others? Or are you happy with whatever you get based on your hard work? Just reflect, close your eyes and reflect. How can you be happy with what you have? If your father or mother is not giving you some toy or something that you have asked for, are you okay with that? Are you happy? Do you understand that at this time they are not able to give you? So I'll be happy with whatever I have.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Is it audible? Shripad, am I audible?
Yes,
Audible.
you're
Just a little bit louder.
You are little feeble, Bhavna. If you can come little closer, then all
Okay.
get the system.
Okay. Okay. So I'll be closer here. Is it audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Very much, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, keeping your eyes closed and having reflected, we will now go into chanting of 3 rounds of Om. Take a deep breath. Keep your eyes closed. And Yakshita, eyes closed. There's nothing to see. We are only going to say 3 rounds of Om. Tanvi, switch on your video. Why did you switch it off? Switch on the video. Keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath and start. Take a deep breath again. Last time, take a deep breath. Slowly rub your palms together. Place them on your eyes. Don't press your eyes, just cup your eyes. And slowly remove the palms from your face and gently open your eyes. All right, so to wake you up, we are now going to play a game. How many of you want to play a game? Just raise your hands. You want to play a game? Raise your hands. Okay, awesome. So now the game is, we have to move our eyes. I will tell you, move your eyes to the right, you will look right. I will say left, you will look left. Up, you will look up. Down, you will look down. Right, diagonally up, you will look right diagonally up. Left, diagonally down. So here, left diagonally up here, and right diagonally down. So here, okay. If I ask you to move your eyes clockwise, so you will go clockwise, okay. When I ask you to move your eyes anti-clockwise, you will go ulta, in the opposite direction, anti-clockwise, okay. The game is clear. So whatever direction I tell you, you will have to move your eyes. Those of you whose videos are off will not be playing this game. Your teachers are noting your name. Okay, so let's begin. First, look in the center. Look in the center. Keep yourselves mute for now. You don't need to talk right now. Just focus on the game. Sit straight. Sit straight. Back straight. Sit in Sukhasana. Eyes center. Eyes down. Eyes down. Look down. Those of you who don't look down, they'll become out. Look up. Center. Center. Eyes left. Center. Very good, Yakshita. So far, Yakshita is winning. Huh? Eyes right. Very good, Shitanshi. I hope I've got your name correct, Shitanshi Priya. Center. Up. Only the eyes, not the head. Very good, Abhignya. Center. Right. Center. Left. Center. Up. Center. Gavanish, ready, very nice. Down. Center. Right, diagonally up. Right, diagonally up. Very good, Abdul Khadir. Center. Left, diagonally down. Center. Right, diagonally down. Center. Yoshika Rajapaga, very nice. Left, diagonally up. Akifran, very nice. Center. Now turn your eyes clockwise. Go clockwise. So you will go up, right? Very good, Shitanshi Priya. Go clockwise. Stop. Center. Go anti-clockwise. Slowly turn your eyes anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Very nice. Center. Okay. Now we are going to make this game a little difficult. Okay. Now let's see how many of you are paying attention. If your eyes are hurting, just place your hands on your eyes and cover them. If your eyes are hurting, you can even close your eyes and play this game. That is also okay. Okay. Those of you wearing glasses, you can even remove your glasses and play this game. So now, whenever I tell you right, you will move your eyes in the opposite direction. Whatever direction I tell you, supposing if I say right, you will move to the left. Okay. Now, and those of you who move right are out. Okay. Shravanti ma'am is noting your names. Then I say left, you will look in the right. If I say down, you will look up. Okay. So whatever direction I say, you do opposite. So if I say right, diagonally up. You will look left diagonally up. Okay. Sorry, down. Left diagonally down. Everything is opposite. So left diagonally down. If I say left diagonally up, you will look right diagonally down. So all the opposite of all the words that I say. If I say clockwise, you will go anti-clockwise. If I say anti-clockwise, which direction you will go?
Clockwise.
Very good. Very good. So all of you have understood. Show me a thumbs up. You all have understood. Just show me your thumbs. Very good. Let's start. Okay, ready? Sit in Sukhasana. Back straight. Look in the center. Center is no opposite. Center is center. So look in the center. If anytime your eyes are hurting, just close them and then slowly do the movement. You can take a break also if you want, and you can remove your glasses and keep it away. Now, down. Down. Very good, Yoshika. Good mindfulness, Akif. Center. Right. Shanmukha Priya. Very nice. Center. Left. Very nice, Shitanshi Priya. Center. Up. Turanyu, very nice. Center. Down. Avanish Reddy, very nice. Center. Right diagonally up. Everything goes opposite. Right diagonally up. Center. Left diagonally down. Left diagonally down. Center. Tejasvi, you can remove your glasses. It's okay. Left diagonally up. Relax your eyes. Relax your eyes. Left diagonally up. Do it slowly. Don't exert yourself. Just little bit. Center. Right diagonally down. Right diagonally down. Samayanu, Satvik, play. Right diagonally down. Center. Okay. Clockwise. Come on. Let's see. Clockwise. Very nice, Shitanshi Priya. Very nice, Brinda. Slowly, slowly turn your eyes. Don't turn it so fast. Go slow. Yoshika, very nice. Abhignya, clockwise. Go opposite. Center. Stop. Now, anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Teachers are also welcome to play this game. Huh? Let's see how teachers and the students are competing. All right, very nice. Not the head. Shrihit, not the head, only the eyes. Okay, relax, relax. Just close your eyes and place the palms on your eyes. Just relax, close your eyes. Just relax. Close your eyes. Relax, relax the eyes. Close them, close them. There's nothing to see, just close. Relax. Okay, now we'll go for the next game. Okay, all of you have a book with you?
Yes,
All of you have any book? Keep the book with you. Get the book. Now, don't keep fidgeting with the mobile phones and all the devices. Just keep the device there. You will place the book on your head as you're sitting. Okay, balance the book. Now, slowly try and get up. Try and get up. Let's see how many of you are able to do it. Try and get up. The book must not fall. If the book falls, you are out. Try and get up. Book must not fall. Get up. Place the book on your head. Get up. Stand up. Stand up. I did it. Yes.
Now, keeping the book on your head, sit. The book must not fall. Keeping the book on your head, sit. If the book falls, you are out. I see someone's book falling. If the book falls, you are out. Sit. Stand up. Place the book. Stand. Place the book and stand. Let's see how many of you are doing it. Come on, come on, come on. Place the book and stand. No holding the book, no cheating. Let go of the book. Samayanu, they'll let go. Nithya, ready. Keep the book on the head and then do it. Very nice, Abdul Qadir. Very nice. No problem. It's okay. Try again. Try again. Place the book on the head and try. Sit and stand. Very nice, Samayanu, Satvik. Nithya, ready. Very nice. Sit fully down, Nithya. No cheating. You're cheating, huh? See, what you have to do is place the book here. Okay. I also learned it in this class only while I'm talking to you. You're in Sukhasana. Okay. Focus. Look straight. Focus. Come into Vajrasana slowly. Use the support of your hand slowly. Come up. Slowly. Come up. Slowly. Come up. Come up. And you are up. Now to go down. Similarly, we will go down. Come to Vajrasana. Kneel down. Kneel down. Kneel down. Sit. Sit. And you are here. Let's make it a little bit easier for you. If you have place to walk, place the book on your head. Can you see me? Place the book on your head. And now you will raise your heels. Raise your heels up. Take your hands up. Start walking. See if you're balancing the book this way. Come on. Raise your heels up. Start walking. Can you balance? If you have place, do it. Let's see how many of you are able to do. Very nice, Shirit. Keep your focus. Look in the front. Keep the focus. Abdul Qadir, nice. No holding the book. Hands up. Abdul Qadir, not at the sides. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Huh? On your toes. Walk on your toes. Raise your heels. Very nice, Shitanshi. Very nice. Shitanshi is doing very nice. Praneeth, no cheating. No holding the book. Keep the book on the head. Raise your heels and walk. All of you are cheating, huh? Nithya, keep your hands up. Raise your hands. Raise your hands up. Raise your hands up. All right, relax. Come, relax. Now we'll do some asanas, okay? So what we're going to do is, we'll do this. Did you notice that while you were doing this exercise, your attention was, where was your attention? Where was your attention while doing this exercise?
On the book.
On the book. Where were you looking while doing this exercise?
Looking at one.
At one point. Who said that? At one point. Very good. I want you to look at one point, and you can take support if you want. I will take support because I keep falling. It is okay if you fall. No problem. You will stand up again and you will do this. So take one leg on your thigh. If you can do it on your thigh, very good. If not, keep it below the thigh. This is also okay. If this is difficult, just keep your leg like this and hands in namaste. Just place your hands in namaste. Let's do. Okay, start. So stand straight. Stand straight. Can you see me? Now you can see me. You can take support. Get your right leg. You can place it here. You can place it here. And take your hands in namaste. Balance. Look at a point in front of you and balance. It is okay if you fall. Stand again and do it. Slowly release and go with the left leg. Go with the left leg. Balance. Balance. Very nice. Stay there. Let me see. How many of you are able to balance? Very nice, Srinidhi. Abhyangna. Very nice. Very nice, Mayank. Excellent. Okay, release. Release. Now, similarly, we do the same asana. This, before we kept the hands here, we will take the hands up. Okay, so watch, just watch. Take your hands like this. Just place your leg here. Take your hands here. Go up. I can't talk and balance. I fall. And bring it back. And then relax. Go ahead. Let me see. Go ahead. Let me see. How many of you are able to do it? Very nice, Shirit Reddy. Very nice. Very nice, Abhyagna. Brinda, what aren't you doing? Do. Ashke Ashwita, excellent. Look straight. Look straight. Shirit, very nice. Look straight. Mayank, excellent. Hemlata, Lela. Oh, teacher is also doing. Very nice, ma'am. Very nice. Ashwita, excellent. Okay, release. Relax. Relax. All of you relax. Now, we will go for Surya Namaskars. How many of you know Surya Namaskars? We will come to the front of your mat. Come. Come to the front of your mat and stand in the front with your feet together. Let's begin. Take your hands in Namaste. Sthit Pratna Asana. Come on. Take your hands in Namaste. Sthit Pratna Asana. Inhaling. Go for a backward bend. Just bend back. Take your hands up and bend back. Exhaling. Fold forward. Now my hands are very small. What to do? So I can't reach the floor only. So I will keep it here. It's okay if you keep it here. If you can touch the floor, touch. You can even bend your knees and touch the floor. So wherever you are comfortable, place your hands there. Now, take your right leg back. Left leg in 90 degrees. Knee above your left ankle. You know what is 90 degrees? Now Shravanti ma'am will understand how many of you pay attention in geometry class, in maths class. Let's see how many of you are doing 90 degrees. Take your left leg back. Come in mountain pose. Come in mountain pose. Parvatasana. Now, put your knees, chest, chin on the floor. Come up in Bhujangasana. Just raise your chest. Come up in Bhujangasana. Look straight. Again, come back in mountain pose. Come back in mountain pose. Very nice. Take your right leg forward. Again, right leg has to be in 90 degrees. Shravanti ma'am is watching all of you. How many of you know 90 degrees? 90 degrees angle. Left leg forward. Inhaling. Take both your hands up. Go for a backward bend. Exhaling. Come back in Sthit Pratna Asana. We will repeat with the left leg. Let's begin. Sthit Pratna Asana. Hands in front of your chest. Fold it in Namaste. Inhaling. Raise both your hands up. Go for a backward bend. Exhaling. Fold forward. Fold forward. Inhaling. Left leg back. Right leg in 90 degrees. Remember, Shravanti ma'am is watching 90 degrees. Go come to mountain pose. Make a mountain of your body. Make a mountain. Bring your knees, chest, chin on the floor. Now, keep your hands by your chest and come up in Bhujangasana. Look up, inhaling. Exhaling. Come back to mountain pose. Inhaling, left leg forward, 90 degrees. 90 degrees, 90. Right leg forward. Inhaling, bring both your hands up. Exhaling, come back in Sthit Pratna Asana. All good? Everyone is good? Very nice, very nice. I could see Nitya Reddy doing it very nice. I will give, if you want to drink water, you can take 2 sips of water only. Only 2 sips of water and feel the taste of the water. Only 2 sips. Feel the taste. If you don't need water, come, let's move to the next one. Okay, no problem, Bhavya Reddy, no problem. Now, let's lie down. Let's lie down on the back. We worked very hard with Surya Namaskar. Let's lie down on the back. Fold your leg, fold your knees. Fold your knees. Now imagine there is glue here between your legs. Stick your legs, your feet, your knee, your thighs, stick. There is glue. Now this will not open, okay? This will not open. Your legs will not open. Keep your hands by your side. If there is no place, keep your hands under your head. Whatever is convenient. Now, exhaling, take both your knees on the floor. Just drop the knees on the floor. And you look on the left side. So knees are on the right. You are looking on the left. Come on. Inhaling, bring both your knees up. Exhaling, drop your knees to the left side now. Remember, both the legs are stuck with glue. You cannot separate the legs. You look on the right side. Inhaling, bring both the knees up. Do it one more time on your own. I will give you instructions. Your knees are together. Arms on your side. Ashwita, why are you not doing? Lie down. Come on, do. Everyone is doing. Yoshika, do. Lie down, bend your knees. Very good, Akif. Now exhaling, drop your knees to the right side. You look on the left. Srinidhi, what are you eating? You were not supposed to eat during yoga class. Nitya, very nice. Now, inhaling, bring the legs up. Exhaling, go towards the other side, the left side. Your legs are joined. You look in the opposite direction. Look in the right side. Tanvi, why are you not doing? Not well? Inhaling, bring both the legs up. Very good, Nitya. And relax. Just relax. Okay. Now, we are going, now imagine your hand is a boat, okay? Imagine this is a boat. Now, let's see what we can do with this boat. You are lying down, okay? So, lie down. Now, there is no glue in your legs. You can separate your legs, okay? Separate your legs. Keep them apart. Now, there is glue on your knees only knees. Join your knees. So, your legs are apart and only the knees are joined. There is only glue on your knees. So, join your knees. Understood? Right hand is a boat. Place it on your tummy. Right hand is a boat. Place it on the tummy. Left hand on the floor. Left hand has no work. So, it will just lie down on the floor. You will close your eyes and you will breathe. When you breathe, the hand will move up and down. Okay? Understand, the boat has to move up and down in the water. See how it is moving. So if you take a deep breath, hand will come up. If you release the breath, when you exhale, hand goes down. So just breathe. Okay? Lie down, close your eyes and just breathe. All of you will close your eyes and lie down and breathe. There is nothing difficult in this. Very easy. My favorite. Lie down. Fold your knees. Now see, is the boat moving? Inhale. Exhale. Avanish, only the knees are joined. Take the feet apart, Avanish. Avanish, take the feet apart. Inhale. Very good, Avanish. Knees are joined. Who's disturbing Avanish? Go from there. Don't disturb Avanish. Inhale. He's sailing his boat. You also come and do. Avanish, brother, come and do. Lie down. Inhale. Exhale. Is your boat moving? Inhale. No, your water will not move. Your stomach will be on the floor only. Only hand is moving. Just observe. Tanvi, Baba, you are watching a movie or what over here? Lie down. Close your eyes. If you're sitting, close your eyes. Huh? Movie is going on. Inhale. Exhale. Close your eyes. Why are you fidgeting with devices? Just close your eyes. What is there? There's nothing to see. Close your eyes and see if the boat is moving. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Srijit, very nice. Sorry, Srihit. Srihit, very nice. Nitya, very beautiful. Mayank, also very nice. So many people. Abhigna. Akif. Inhale. Exhale. Just continue with the inhale, exhale. Avanish, brother, you are disturbing beta. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Okay, relax. Slowly turn onto your right side. Very nice. Slowly turn onto your right side and come up, sit in Sukhasana. Always remember, whenever you're sleeping, you will first turn on your right side and then sleep. When you wake up, again turn on your side and then wake up. Never wake up like this and sleep like this. It will hurt your back. Okay? Always just lie down. Now, right now, sit. We are going to do a little bit of breathing. Okay? So keep your hands like this. You can even keep it like this, using the thumb and the little finger. Use your thumb and the little finger, or you can do Vishnu Mudra, whichever is comfortable. Bend your bend your index finger and your middle finger, and use your thumb and your ring finger. If this is not possible, just use this. Just use the thumb and the little finger. You can place it like this. Okay. Now, you will close your right nostril. Inhale from left. Inhale from left. Close your left nostril. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Close your right nostril. Exhale from left. Slowly. Inhale from left. Close your left nostril. Exhale from right. Close your eyes if you want. Inhale from right. Close your right nostril. Exhale from left. Remember, body has to be straight. Don't come forward. Sit straight. Inhale from left. Close the left nostril. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Exhale from left and relax. Very good, Yoshika Raja. Very nice, very nice. Relax. Now we are playing one more game. Okay. All of you sit straight, sit in Sukhasana and close your eyes. You are going to count backwards. Okay. You will count from 30, 29, 28, 27 backwards till you reach 1. If you forget in between, go back to 30 and start again. Let's see how you do it. So sit in Sukhasana, relax, close your eyes. No keeping eyes open. If you're keeping eyes open, khalas, you are out. You are not playing this game. Start from 30 and don't cheat. Huh? No saying fast. 30, 29, 27, 29. No. 30, 29, 28, 27. Let's see how you do it. Keep your eyes closed. In your mind, Avanish, Avanish, in your mind, not loudly. In your mind. You're counting backwards. If you forget, you will repeat. Your Shikha Raja finished? No opening eyes. Close your eyes. And Naga Pranavi, are you done? Show me thumbs up if you are done. Done? All of you done? Those of you not finished, go ahead, repeat. If you have made a mistake, you will repeat. Very nice, Shirit finished. You said it all correctly, no mistakes. From 30, you came back to 1. Very nice. Okay. Those of you who have not yet finished, you will practice this later on and we'll do it next time. Okay. So for now, just close your eyes and we're going to buzz like bees. Okay. Have you heard the bee buzzing? How they hum? We're going to hum like bees now. Okay. We're all bees. Okay. And we're going to hum like bees. Imagine you're a bee. So close your eyes. There's nothing to see. Close. And you're going to buzz for 3 times. You're going to hum. Sorry, you're going to hum for 3 times. So close your eyes and hum. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Last time, take a deep breath. Keep your eyes closed. Relax. Keep your eyes closed. Now, take both your hands behind your back, keeping your eyes closed. Take both your hands behind your back. Just hold your hand, hold one hand with the other. Take it behind your back. Come forward. Just come forward. This is like as if you're bowing your head down. Just come forward. There's no need to touch the floor. Just come forward and bow down. Say thank you, God. Thank you to my parents. Thank you to all my friends, my brother, sister. Thank you to everyone who have helped me. Thank you to all the teachers who have helped me learn. Thank you to all my relatives. Thank you to the trees that give us food. Thank you to the earth that gives us air, to the sun that makes us live. Thank you to the farmers. Thank you to the wind. Thank you for the air. Thank you for the oxygen in the air. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, God, for everything to make my life so beautiful. Thank you. Slowly come up with your eyes closed and a smile on your face. Rub your palms together. Cup your eyes. And very slowly remove the cup from the eyes and open your eyes. Did you enjoy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You enjoyed? Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Very good.
Do this session
Tired?
every
You
week.
can drink
We'll get our
every
eyes
week.
back.
Okay, we'll do it every week. What will you get? You will get your
Eyes, ma'am,
I
relax.
didn't hear that.
They loved you,
You will
Bhavana.
get your eyes relaxed. Oh, thank you so much, Savanti, ma'am. Ma'am, you saw how many of them paid attention in geometry class for the 90 degrees angle? See, ma'am has noted now. If you want water, you can drink. You can drink water.
So the beauty
Students,
of
you can
yoga
drink water
is,
if you want.
the beauty of yoga is that it will make you all very smart. It will not just relax you, it will make you very smart in everything that you do in life. Okay, it will make you flexible, it will give you physical energy, and it will give you mental strength. So make it a practice that do it every day. Okay, some bit of yoga movements you can do every day, little bit, whatever you like. Okay, start with that and then keep working at it. So first of all,
You can
for
try
all the
balancing.
children, I first want to thank all the parents who are there along with the children and making them, ensuring that they do the yoga poses correctly. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shravanti ma'am, for having this wonderful session. We thank your school for being a part of this event, and Bhavna ma'am, an excellent session. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, can you conduct this session every week?
Yes.
I am ready. Shravanti ma'am.
If Shravanti ma'am at the school wants it, we will do it every week.
See, they loved Bhavna ma'am. They loved you now. They're not going to leave you now.
Thank you. I loved it too. I loved it. So you also, besides what Jasmeet ma'am told you about the benefits of yoga, yoga will also help you to increase your focus. We did that balancing exercise, no, with the book and then with the leg where your hands were here and then you took it up. This will help you to increase your focus. And when your focus increases, you will study better. When you study better, your marks improve, your focus improves. Again, you are better in sports also. So even yoga will help you become better and stronger in sports activities as well. So try to practice every day. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank
Bhavna.
you so much. Thank you, Shravanti ma'am.
Thank you, children, for
Bye.
joining.
Bye, everyone. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Hemlata ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Hey. Ma'am, Shravanti ma'am, we have this session every week.
Yeah, sure. I'll speak to Bhavna ma'am. Okay.
Bye, ma'am. I'll end the meeting now, please.
Thank you everyone. Thank you, Hemlata ma'am, for supporting me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Hemlata ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ITG. Thank you for the platform, ITG. Thank you,
Yes,
Jasmine.
thank you so much.